Hey, what's up, Vechain Holder? This video is very important because from last 24 hours, my friend, Vechain was very badly fails down. The prices fails down. So therefore, I make this urgent and very important video for all viewers, my subscriber, to understand this and do this. I hope they will never lose, brother. So first of all, as you can see here, in last 24 hours, minus 0.52% they were lost now, but in last 1 hour, 0.08% profit again now. So that's clean my brothers. To someone is come here and my friends starting investing and they will moving upward. This is possible, my brother, but absolutely, my brother, if a holder this time the price will starting moving upward, because my brother, when someone is starting investing, so they see my friends to the price, can there is a chance so they will moving upward or not, otherwise they cannot invest now. So therefore, if you are holders, so kindly you need to invest more, so the price will be starting moving upward. So there, that's for kind, my brother, I have request for all of you to kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think kindly urgently invest now. I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. So my viewers, my subscriber, in upcoming time the price will be going to be double now. So please, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think it's time now. Alright viewers, my friends, this time if we just in only predicate the VChain from my friends to what's going on this time in VChain, so that's clear, my brothers, to the price is going to be positive now, 33.17% profit. I think this is massive, very high, my friends, now, and very great now, my brother. So this time, as you can see here, my friend, this chart is going to be showing, my brothers, to upcoming time there. After this point, as you can see, my friend, the first 10 days they were fails down, but after that, as you can see, my friends, they were very correctly, my friends, moving upward now. So therefore, I am so happy to see this also, my brother. Let's see, my brothers, what's going to be next now in upcoming days. Can they will make us millionaire now or not, my brother? Everything, my friends, I will share my videos, but kindly you need, my brothers, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.